Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Meaning, the goddess who is omnipresent as the personification of Universal Mother, I bow to her, I bow to her, I bow to her again and again. Jai Mata Di, good morning and welcome to day 2 of the Mystic Lotus Awesome Money Tele Summit Goddess Shakti Special. Today we have with us an expert practitioner of astrology, Swaroday, Vastu Shastra, numerology, aura and chakra cleansing, tantra, yoga and meditation, and many more modalities. He has authored 3 books, released 4 meditation and mantra CDs, and is founder and president of NGO Vidya Art of Eternal Science. Having studied under many spiritual masters, he is a keen observer of spiritual practices and rituals, making him an amazing teacher as well. He is a multi award winner and has done shows on many national and international television channels. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for and join me in giving a warm Mystic Lotus welcome to the man who believes and says, don't worship wealth, worship the source. Dr. Hitesh Ji Guruji. Welcome back, Hitesh Ji.
Thank you. Thanks a million, Neeluji. Thanks a million, Mystic Lotus.
Literally, welcome back. Welcome back to the Tele Summit and welcome back from your journey of the last 2 days.
Yeah. And I want to tell everyone that thanks to you that you reminded me that I have to be back. You and Gucci. And yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, I think there might have been a possibility that Guruji would have landed up in the evening or something. So I'm glad we had that conversation, all of us. So, Guruji, you're here with Navratri and Diwali Puja, but we know you do all this very differently. You talk about, Navjivan science and mantras and the importance of mantras. So I want to straight off ask you, Guruji, what is mantra? Why and how is it so important in our lives, especially with monies, with wealth, with health, with everything?
See, in the scriptures, there is a very beautiful explanation of mantra. It is said, Manantrayati iti mantra. That which transcends the mind is mantra.
Guruji,
Mantra,
I'm so sorry. Little louder, Guruji.
okay. In the scriptures, there is a special reference about mantra that Manantrayati iti mantra. That which transcends the mind is mantra. That which takes you beyond the mind is mantra. That which helps you to understand what is beyond mind is mantra. Second is Amantrane iti mantra. That which invites the supreme within you, it's mantra. And Mantrane iti mantra. That which makes you focused, that is mantra. Focused in bliss, focused in nothingness, focused in everything, that is mantra. Like right now you said a mantra, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu. In that you said teen bar, namastasya, 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 namo namah. So you know why 3 times? Because goddess, it has multiple reasons why 3 times. These mantras were scientifically created. Like goddess has to be worshipped in the number of 3, and you are bowing down to her once by your body, second by your mind, and third by your spirit. So 3 times. Namastasya, 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 namo namah. That is mantra. Mantra is something which will change your existence, which will change you totally, which will create a very different you, totally transform you. And finally, it will make you realize that you are one with your divine. You are the one whom you are worshipping. That is mantra.
Amazing. And is there a principle to it, Guruji? Because you can't just say mantras randomly, right?
Yeah, there are principles, there are disciplines for it. First of all, is Diksha. You must have a diksha for chanting any mantra. Right now, Rani ji is here, Sandeep is here, Sandeep ji is here, Purvi ji is here. These are the people who have experienced the power of mantra by Diksha. First is Diksha. Diksha is initiation in English, if people don't understand English. Second is the different rules. Like for Baglamukhi, you can't wear black. There are different rules. And third is that your existence is in five layers. There are five bodies. You are made up of, everything is made up of five main elements. And there are five main states of existence. So the mantra must reach the five states of existence and the five main elements. For that, only the mantra doesn't work. With mantra, you have to do havan, you have to do tarpan, you have to do marjan, you have to do bhojan, and then only it reaches to the five layers of yours, and it completely can help you. Just chanting mantra or just doing havan will give you benefits, but it will be on the surface. It will not enter your consciousness, your soul.
Right. Guruji, you said five main elements, these the five states of existence. Uh, are these definable, or are these the five elements of fire, earth, water that you're referring to?
Yes, they are the fire, earth, water, and the five states of existence are waking state, which is known as the conscious state, a dreaming state, which is known as the semi conscious state, sleeping state, which is known as the unconscious state, and the meditative state, which is known as the Turiya Avastha, the fourth state, and beyond meditation is the enlightened state, which is Turiya Para, means super consciousness and collective consciousness. So conscious, semi-conscious, unconscious, super conscious, and collective conscious are the five main state of your existence.
And you're saying that mantras take you to that super collective.
Yeah, it takes you to super consciousness. It takes you to the collective consciousness. What is collective consciousness is, I and you are one. You, the person listening, everyone listening, the one speaking, and the words, everything is me. The one worshipping, the one being worshipped, and the worship is me. Everything is me. Like I tell always, I always tell Ma, I know I am unreal. I know you are also unreal, but still I love you because the love between you and me is the only thing which is real.
That is that is so sweet. It's like and the way you just said it also, it's almost not almost, it is literally the love between a mother and a child.
It is. It is. What a thing to remind me. Everything that you see over here, Zitesh Guruji, my hair, my skin, my eyes, my voice, my nose, my intellect, my muscles, my blood, my soul was a part of my mother once. And everything I am is my mother. And my mother is her mother. Her mother is her mother. And everything has come from that divine mother, the black hole. And so everything is mother. On this universe, whether it is good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, everything is mother. There is nothing beyond mother.
Beautiful. And you also mentioned, Guruji, that just doing Havan and chanting the mantra, you'll get to somewhere. You took three more names: Tarpan, Marjan, and Bhojan.
Huh.
A lot of us who've been with you, we have a little basic understanding on this, but we have so many new people joining us every time. Can we just give everyone a quick overview of what this means and why it's important in the context of mantras and therefore the context of Navratri and Diwali Puja?
See, first of all, what is Navratri and Diwali? In the scriptures, it is said that this is the best time to worship. And because of this time, because the energies are so high that in Bengal you say Ma Aishe,
Hi, Shite.
Yeah. So this is the time when the divine, steps on the earth. The sky steps on the earth. So this time is so auspicious that you must do it in this time. Mantra is continuous chanting. Havan is after chanting whatever you have created, you give it to fire, you burn it. After burning it, like if we have one chili over here, I can eat it. If we are like how many people right now? We are 82 people. So if we have, say, 10 kgs of chilies, we all can eat it. But if we are all in one hall, and if I burn one chili, no one can sit over there. So by
Right.
burning anything, it becomes 1,000 times more powerful. So when you are burning off your mantras, when you are burning off your sadhana, it becomes 1,000 times more powerful. Burning fire has 10 kalas. 10 kalas means fire has 10 types of works to do. Fire has its nature of 10 folds. So fire gives multiplies your sadhana. It is such a beautiful thing. But after that, burning is not all good. It will also burn you off. So you have to calm it down by tarpan. Tarpan is giving what is multiplied by fire to the water. So that gives you satisfaction, that gives you a complete state of bliss, that you did the mantras, fire multiplied it by for you, and tarpan added satisfaction to it. Till you are not satisfied, nothing will manifest for you. After tarpan is coming marjan. Satisfaction, you got all the worldly benefits that you wanted. Marjan is the union, the like you fry something, you unite two things by frying them. So union is marjan, you become one with your divine. And bhojan is that even after union, you don't get that ego that, oh, I'm divine now, everyone bow down to me. You understand that they are bowing down to the divine mother. Bhojan is satisfaction, double satisfaction, which makes you humble, which makes you literally, you know, worshipping mother in all her colors. It makes you so powerful. It makes you so, bhojan makes you complete. Always mother is in your mind when you give bhojan. So, say if we chant 1,000 mantras, we do havan for 100 counts, that is 10%. We do tarpan for 10 counts, which is 10% of havan. Then we do marjan for one count, which is 10% of tarpan. And then we give bhojan to one person. If we are chanting 1,25,000 mantras, we do havan for 12,500 times after that or during that. And additionally, we do 1,200, 125 marjan. Sorry, we do 1,250 marjan, 125, sorry, 1,25,000 chanting, 12,500 havan, 1,250 tarpan, 125 marjan, and 13 people, 12.5 will turn into 13. 13 people will be given bhojan. That is how it goes.
Amazing. So obviously there is a huge um, science calculation basis, something to all of this. And Guruji, you took Ma Baglamukhi's name traditionally as with the general Navratri that we know. It's not a name that we often come across. So I'm on behalf of everyone, I'd like to ask you which form of Ma is that, and how did it come up in context here?
Ma Bagalmukhi is known in the Vedas as Vagalmukhi. And due to the rules of the vowels in Sanskrit, Vagalmukhi turns into Bagalmukhi or Baglamukhi. And she's known also as Pitambari. She is amongst the 10 great wisdom goddesses, the Dasho Mahavidya. And she's the warrior. She helps in winning over your enemies, cutting off black magic, winning in court cases, getting government contracts, influencing ministers and government people, and much more. But because her name is Bagalmukhi or Baglamukhi or Vagalmukhi, it means that she throws out cuff. Balgam is cuff.
Right.
She throws out cuff from your mouth. Means she removes all the cuff from the body. Second, she is Pitambari. Pitambari also means that she is yellow in color. Baglamukhi also means that she has a face like a what is Bagla known in English? Bagla, that bird,
Um,
swan.
Even I'm so it's not striking me also right now, and I'm immediately looking down to see if anybody in the audience. I can see Hina laughing. Hina, type it into the Telegram group. Crane and stone.
Crane,
Okay.
crane. So Baglamukhi also means that she has a mouth like crane, but it also means that she throws out balgam from your mouth. Pitambari means she's yellow in color, but it also means that pit and amber, she increases in you. Amber means sourness, pitta is acidity. So she gives you a lot of acidity and she creates a lot of heat and she removes all cough from your body. Now, there are three doshas, as everyone knows: gas, cough, and acids. That gives you all the illnesses. Some people are more acidic, some people are more gaseous, and some people are more cough oriented. So, Baglamukhi enhances your pitam. Pitta is acids. And so, if you wear black, black absorbs the heat. So you can't wear black because it will absorb the heat and it will give you a paralytic attack, because exactly over here on the right side there is a nerve. When you will chant Baglamukhi mantra, you will see that that nerve is swollen. That nerve dries up and it gives you a paralytic attack when you chant a mantra wearing black. So that is what I was telling you in the beginning, that there are rules. Like for Baglamukhi, you can't wear black.
You just meant you've and thank you for that. And I know that there's a lot of details that goes into all of this. As lay people, we I think would be able to understand a brief overview. You just mentioned the 10 great wisdom goddesses. So are these the 10 wisdom goddesses that are prayed to for Navratri and Diwali by you, with the way you get it done?
Yeah, I pray to Ma becoming you. And as I've told you, that once you pray to her, you become you. So when I pray for, say, Neeluji, I take a sankalp. When I'm taking a sankalp, I become you. And when I become Ma after praying for you, you become Ma in that return. And when you become Ma, what is that which Ma doesn't have? You get everything and anything you want.
Fabulous. Maybe know a little bit more about the 10 great wisdom goddesses, Guruji.
We'll start from Ma Kali.
And in fact, if you'll just give me a moment, because everyone, just want to let you know, Guruji's actually put together a very, very nice uh, set of pictures and images for us to be able to see and understand, visualize, imagine while he tells us about it. Please give me a moment. I'm just bringing this up.
भर के रख देना सब. Ah, Jai Ma. Mystic Lotus is amazing. So, do you want me to move to Ma Kali? Can I click on the number 2?
Yes, I know. In fact, I'm just changing the screen view, Guruji. Just give me a second. There we are.
So we start with Ma Kali.
There you go.
She is my mother. In Mahanirvan Tantra, Lord Shiva says that to Parvati that she is worshipped first. She is the first who is worshipped. So Ma Parvati is asking, why is it so that she is worshipped first? So Shiva gives a very beautiful answer that because she fulfills all your desires. Like I told you for Ma Baglamukhi, what she does, it is the same form of Ma Durga.
Right.
Everyone is Ma Parvati, but they have different roles. One will do this for you, one will do that for you. Like if you tell Ma Kamla or Ma Bhuvneshwari, Ma, there is black magic on me, save me, she will hide behind you. She will say, you go to Ma Bagla, she will help you to clear out black magic. But Ma Kali is so compassionate that she will fulfill all your works. There is nothing that she cannot fulfill for you. And she treats her devotee like her own biological child. Isn't it wonderful? So she's the most compassionate. So she is the first of the wisdom goddess. And Kal means time. Kal also means death. She is the time of time. She is Mahakali and she is the death of death. So Mahakali Puja specifically can be performed for anything and everything, but specifically it can be performed for long life, for getting rid of deadly diseases, to correct your planet Saturn and Mars, to improve your health, to win over your enemies, to get rid of black magic, to get rid of fears and phobias. She's the main goddess for that. Now we will see the next form of Ma. The next form is Ma Tara.
Just quickly giving everyone's asking, can we get the pictures? Can we get the pictures? So I was just waiting for you to complete before moving on to the slide. And everyone, we are sharing all these pictures on the Telegram group for you, and it will come into you with the call replay also. So please don't worry. And we're moving on to
Ma Tara. Oof, I am feeling so happy everyone is going to get a picture of my Ma. Wow. So Ma Tara is the second wisdom goddess. Tara means a star. Tara means space. You know, can we go to the slide where we have everything written about Ma Tara?
yes,
The previous slide, it will be better for you. This is
right.
my mother Tara. So she is space. Kali is time, Tara is space. Tara means, the wife of Jupiter also. In the scriptures, it is said. So she corrects the planet Jupiter, Mercury, and Moon. 3 3, huh? She is bumper draw. Jupiter be, Mercury be, Moon be. You know what, Niluji? Today I told Ma Tara only and Ma Bhairavi. Ma Buddhi is Vakri. You have to take care of your child. Huh? नहीं तो सब तेरी भी जग हसाई होगी. मेरा नाम बदनाम तो तेरा भी बदनाम, तू संभाल लेना सब कुछ माँ. तो I pray to a Mercury, Jupiter, and Moon. She corrects, but Jupiter is the main planet. And Ma Tara is worshipped to cut bad habits, addiction, to calm down your mind, to control spirits, and higher spirits also, to get hidden wealth. छुपा हुआ धन रहता है ना कभी, और
Right.
hidden अपनी ये रहती है abilities. We don't know what are we made of. That Ma Tara helps you to get it out. And she protects the kids in the wombs, and she gets rid of your enemies, and she gives you protection from poisons and poisonous substances and creatures, and she cures all types of diseases. So this is Ma Tara. Ma Tara Ashirvad mane bo faida hai.
You
Tara
have to translate that for everyone, Guruji.
means I say that माँ तेरे आशीर्वाद हमको बहुत फले है.
Right. And
तो
just
उसमें माँ का तारा नाम है ना.
Anji, for everyone else to who's listening in, earlier in the conversation, just a few minutes back, when Guruji said something in Hindi, what he was saying was that today before the call, he actually prayed to Matara and said that you've got to take care of this, because if something goes wrong, nothing, your name is going to go and I'll be made a joke of. So please take care of your child is basically what he prayed for. And Guruji, there's a request that's come in when you're taking all the planet names. If you could give the the Indian names as well.
Ma Kali is Shani and Mangal,
So,
and Ma Tara is Guru, Buddha, and Chandra.
right. Jupiter Guru, Mercury is
Buddha,
Buddha, and Moon is Chandra, right?
yes.
So, would you like me to take you to the picture, Guruji?
Yes, picture of Maya is very good. These are all painted by my student Sangeeta Shetty. I hope she is on the summit.
I hope so too, because we were completely intending to let everybody know that all these pictures that you're seeing are all hand painted, okay, especially for Guruji by one of his students, and it's
Who
beautiful.
paints amazing
First saw
pictures
these, yeah. I
and
thought it was
yantras.
an actual like a photo thing on the computer, and then then you get to know it's hand painted. It's absolutely gorgeous. So moving on, Guruji, to the next one.
Yeah, third is Machina Mastika. Chinna means to cut. Mastika is head. So when disciples want, माँ अपना खून पिलाती है भूखे डिसाइपल्स को, इसके लिए उसने अपना सर काटा है. So she is worshipped to reduce ego, to correct unnatural and pervert sexual preferences, and Ma Mastika is specifically worshipped to correct Rahu. Now there cannot be any request for translating the name of Rahu, because Rahu is the north node. That's it. Rahu is actually the north node. So this is Ma Chinnamastika, the mother without head. You know, when you say, Papa, I want 50 rupees pocket money, your father will use his head. कि ये 50 रुपया लेके साला करेगा क्या, ये जाके ड्रग्स पिएगा, लड़की को बाइक पे घुमाएगा पेट्रोल डाल के, सिगरेट पिएगा, दारू पिएगा. बट माँ को बोलो, माँ 50 रुपया चाहिए वरना मैं कॉलेज नहीं जाऊंगा, तो माँ सर नहीं इस्तेमाल करती है. माँ इस छिन्न मस्तिका, she will give जा मजा कर.
And just to let everybody know, what Guruji just said is that when a child asks the father for say 50 rupees of pocket money, the father is going to like hit his head saying, what is this child going to do? He's going to be up to no good. The same child will go to the mother and say, Ma, if you're not giving me 50 rupees, I'm not going to school. The mother just like forgets everything and just gives the money, which is what Guruji meant by saying that she cuts her head off. Everything for the child.
She will not use her head, whether you deserve it, whether you don't deserve it. Whatever you will ask from my mother, she will give you. She will not use her head, that
Right.
whether what is a good or what is bad. She will say, my child wants it, he's crying, I can't see him crying, give. So we go to Ma's picture,
Yes.
and she's Ma with cutting her head, and she's feeding her disciples Dakini and Shakini. I have tried to be little decent and made them wear clothes. And down is Kamadev with his wife Rati, and they are copulating, and the movement of this is making Ma move. If you see her legs, they are like moving. She's
Yes,
not.
there's a vibration showing. I was wondering about that.
Yeah, so she is doing this, and she's from the Shri Kul. All the Devis from the Shri Kul. She's from the Kali Kul, but still she is in the water. All the Devis of Shri Kul, they are in water, or they are in the heaven, or they are inside a cave. But she's the only goddess of Kali Kul who is seen in water. And if you see closely, if you look at her navel, it is actually the yoni.
Oh,
So her navel is the yoni, means her desires and her intellect is kept in her navel. So she is worshipped by the navel. She says that don't look at my face, look at my navel.
wow. I almost thought it was a jewel.
Yeah, she is a jewel, and her navel is also a jewel. Who gets it knows the secret of death and life.
And we're just about here right now, and all of these are a part of the puja. Just listening to 2 lines, 3 lines, understanding a little basic, and what which form of ma is, which part of your life she takes care of. It's This is amazing, Guruji. I'm just going to keep quiet. I'm just going to wait for you to take us through it all.
So we come to Ma Sursi. Sursi is the fourth great wisdom goddess. She is known as Ma Tripura Sundari also, and also Ma Raja Rajeshwari. She is worshipped to make you look younger, beautiful, and she fulfills all your desires, and she blesses with you with hypnotic powers and powers to attract people, which is known as mesmerism or mass hypnosis, and for success in art, creativity, and media field. And she can correct all your planets. सारे ग्रहों को ठीक करती है.
Oh, all of them, not just like one, two, or three.
No. All of them. And her picture is like such a beautiful thing. There is one more thing. That Ma Sursi is also for relationship, art, creativity, beauty, media, and also to get married. And the most important thing is to bring peace in marriage.
Right.
Yeah? One day Natu and Natu's wife came to me. So they were wanting divorce. This is the picture of Ma Tripura Sundari. Everyone see, look at Ma and her eyes and see how innocent she is. So one day Nattu came to me, and he was both were fighting husband wife. So I said, "What happened?" So his wife is saying that he is such a idiot. I said, "Nattu, what did you do now?" She said nothing. She doesn't understand my point of view. So I said, "What happened?" So Nattu came very drunk last night in the house, and the wife asked him that what was wrong. So Nattu said, there was मेरा मजबूरी था. I had something. Majburi is what in English?
It was something that was out of his control. It was,
It was out of my control. I had to drink, and he started crying. So, wife said, "What was it? What tension do you have that you had to drink so much? You'd let me know." So he said, it was so out of my control that I couldn't stop drinking so much." So, wife said, "Did your boss tell you something? Did he throw you out of the job? Did you any relative say something? Did my relative said anything? Do you have an affair with someone? Do you want to divorce me? Am I a problem in your life?" He's crying unconsolably, and wife is trying to console him. "Come on, you have to share your problems with me. Speak up, speak up." He said, "I lost the cap of the bottle."
what?
So husbands and wife.
I don't.
Even I do that. In the night, I'm like going out of my bedroom like Tom and Jerry, and my wife comes to know. She says, "Where are you going?" I said, "I'm feeling acidity." She said, "No, you are going to, there is chocolate in the fridge. You are going to eat that." So I said, "No, I'm feeling acidity. I'm feeling puking. So I will eat little one bite of chocolate. Now I will not feel like puking." So she will say, "Only one bite, or else you see what happens." And I go to the fridge and I come back, and she is like saying, "You ate the whole chocolate." I said, "Mera majburi tha. It was out of my control." So she would say, "What was that?" I said, "I tore the wrapper, and the whole wrapper accidentally tore off. So I could keep only one bite and keep it inside. I had to eat the whole chocolate. What to do?" And even when I go to, so husband and wife, they fight on small, small things.
Right.
So if you don't want this fights, then Ma Tripura Sundari.
Beautiful. And this is, again, it's just so peaceful and beautiful looking at these pictures and
Yeah.
listening
You
to
see
you,
these
Guruji.
four pillars, they are
Yes,
Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, and Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Indra, sorry, Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, and Indra are the four pillars of her throne.
Right.
And Sadashiv is lying down, and from the navel of Sadashiv comes a lotus, and she is sitting on that lotus. She appears from there.
Is there any significance to that?
The significance is that She is a manifestation of Shiva. She created Shiva, and then Shiva created her from his navel. So
Wow.
she is the mother of the universe, but she is a virgin, and she is 16 years of age, and she always says like that. And lotus means that wherever you see the lotus in pointing in any deities, is that her Muladhar chakra is the most active, because the lotus is placed on a Muladhar chakra. So that is it. And her activities are all from the Muladhar chakra: art, creativity, beauty, marriage, relationship, all that. So the some people believe that she is the fourth, and some people believe Ma Bhuvaneshwari is the fourth. Bhuvan means the body. Bhuvan means the house of yours, the place where you are in, the building. Bhuvan means the earth, and Bhuvan means the universe. Bhuvan ki Ishwari matlab Bhuvaneshwari. She is also known as Raj Rajeshwari, and she is known as the Chatushta Devi, the fourth goddess. Here we are talking of her as the fifth, but she is the fourth goddess because she gives all four fruits of life: Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. Dharma is education, knowledge. Artha is wealth. Kama is fulfillment of desire, and moksha is liberation. So she gives you all worldly pleasures, knowledge, and everything, and also self realization. She is also known as Mahisasur Mardani. She killed Mahisasur. So she is also known as Amba, the self created one, or the virgin one, or the pure one. And she is also Ma Annapurna, because Shiva begs to her for food.
The
So,
food. Right.
yeah, so she is also Annapurna. She can correct your planet Venus and Sun both, and she is worshipped for fame, wealth, money, fulfilling your all your desires, for being successful in work, specifically in food industry, media, art, creativity, love, relationship, and for getting promotion in your job, for getting married if you're not getting married, and again if you're eating the whole chocolate from the fridge, for a peaceful marriage. So she is Bhuvan ki Ishwari. You know what, Neeluji? One day, my wife said that we will go to Europe. It's 25 years of our marriage, and we will go to Europe tour. So I said, she said, this is my dream. So I said, you must have said before. Now, what is happening is we have to go to USA because my show is there. So for this year, we will go to USA. So she said, how? I said, how? I don't know, but I will tell Ma Bhuvaneshwari. We didn't have a single rupee because I don't believe in insurance or saving. So she said, I have little saving, but for that, we can't go for a 1.5 month tour to USA. I said, Ma will send. And everything was taken care of. And more than a month, I was in USA. And from the East Coast, the Center Coast, the West Coast, I went everywhere. And I really enjoyed. So this year, again, I have to put Ma Bhuvaneshwari at work because I have to take her to Europe.
Well, first of all, congratulations in advance for 25 years of married life.
It got over last year, 2019.
So, okay, belatedly, but 25 years, amazing. And now you're going to be praying to your to Ma to say, now take me to Europe. Wife wants it, now you gotta help me. That's fantastic. That's amazing.
So
And we,
this, yeah.
sorry,
Sorry.
you were saying Guruji? No, no, you were saying.
So this is Ma Bhuvaneshwari. We will look at a picture again painted by Sangeeta Shetty.
Right. And Venus in Hindi would be
Shukra.
Shukra.
तो माँ का शुक्रिया अदा करो हमेशा. This is Ma Bhuvan ki Ishwari, Bhuvaneshwari. And you see, there is the moon and the sun in her crown.
Right.
So, by the union of this moon and sun, the creation has come into existence. So, where did Mother bring all the cement, water, and everything to create this universe? No, she was just thinking about it. And why was she thinking? By the union of the left hemisphere and right hemisphere of her brain, she's thinking that there is a universe. Crown means in the head, in the brain, she's thinking. And why is it not shown in a brain, and why is it shown in a crown? Because though the creation is created by her, she's untouched by it. She's not a part of it. So by the union of male and female, by the union of the sun and moon in her crown, the whole universe came into existence.
Beautiful. And I'm just fascinated by how amazingly well these pictures have been made. They're just bringing everything to life so amazingly, really.
Yes.
And Punita's written in so beautiful, my salute to the artist. And then she's written in, I was thinking exactly that. So I do hope she's on the call and she's listening to everybody,
So
just
once we see the
blessed by even seeing her creations. So,
yeah. So Tripura Bhairavi is the sixth great wisdom goddess, and she is worshipped for attracting the masses again, but by fear, not by love or your beauty. And she gives victory in politics, and she removes fears and phobias. Bhairavi, looking at her, fear runs away. Bhairavi, she plays with fear. Bhairavi, she is without fear. It means that. And Tripur means the three worlds or the three states of consciousness: waking, dreaming, and sleeping. There is no one as fearful as her in the three worlds. And there is no one who is as fearless as her in the three worlds. And she gives you a lot of wealth, and she accomplishes difficult sadhanas of yours, and she gives you power of speech to correct your planet Mercury. She is amazing goddess. She's the goddess of coddies. Coddies are shells. She's the goddess of tortoise. She's the goddess of fishes. She's the goddess of the land and the water. She's the goddess of earth and the sky. She is the one who unites everything for you and separates you from fear. When you are away from fear, you unite with everyone. You cannot be one with anything because of fear. Even by hatred, you can be one with whomsoever you are hating. You start looking like the person whom you hate. But fear doesn't allow union. And when you are free from fear, you're one with the others. Say if you are a woman and the goons sitting on the road, if they scare you, if you make friendship with them, if you remove your fear, then one day you will be standing with them and teasing girls.
I'm
And-
not I'm not very sure about that. Right?
but at least smoking a bidi or something.
गुरुजी
And
कुछ भी आप बोलते हो.
if someone is scared of police, and if he makes friends with the police, the fear
Right.
goes. And you can be one with police. You can get the help. You can become police, something like that. Examples वो जो मुंह में डालती है मैं वही दे देता हूँ. Let us look at a picture.
Right. No, in fact, I know there's a certain part of me that responded that way because of the reference points. But if it's come in like that, then it must have come in like that through you with something in mind. And I'm sure we want to come back to that a little later again, because I might be reacting like this, but it's definitely a fear, right? So yeah.
Uh,
Yes. There she.
this is Ma Bhair. We look at her eyes. If you know that these are eyes of mothers, then you cannot be scared of it. But if you
Right.
if you look at these as eyes of a goddess who is fearful, you will be scared of it. So if you look at her eyes, and if you can't be scared of it because it is your mother's eyes, then you cannot be scared of anything in the world. She sits on five skulls. You see the skulls?
Yes.
Means again, your whole body is made up by the union of five. So at a very given time, there can be 300 thoughts running in your mind, but thoughts are governed by the five elements. So she controls the five elements and all your thoughts. So when you are in fear, like this, when you are in shock or fear, you are thoughtless. So fear makes you thoughtless. So she also controls your mind. And there is water around her. There is a tortoise around her near her feet. And there are fishes. There are swans. And she's the Hansa Swarupa. Han is breathing out, Sa is breathing in. And the swans, the Hansa, are seen around her.
Beautiful. In fact, exactly what you said, Guruji. Her eyes, you'd be afraid of them only if you saw it with fear. I'm looking into her and I'm thinking, it's exactly the kind of eyes that mothers make with their young ones when they're like scolding them. They make
Yeah,
really like oh, like big, and it's just reminding me of that right now. Every mother does this when they want to scold their children.
yeah, but children, they are not scared of mother. They are scared of
True.
father. Even if she is showing eyes, the child will start crying. And once the child starts crying, she will say, okay, okay, okay. Eyes will become small. Okay, take.
Right. Right.
Uh, then we go to Ma Dhumavati. In Navdurga, there are 9 forms of mother. But in Dashamavidya, there are 10 forms because Ma Dhumavati is there. She is a widow.
Okay.
She eats up her own husband. You know why? Because the
Why?
husband goes to trouble her devotees.
Interesting.
Shiva goes to kill the devotees of Ma Kali, and Ma Kali eats him, eats Shiva up, and she becomes a widow. And then she releases him from his womb. So she is her daughter, she is her wife, and she's also his mother. She is the daughter, wife, and mother, all three of Shiva. And she's the seventh great wisdom goddess. She is worshipped for getting knowledge, and she is worshipped to get rid of your enemies, and she is worshipped to get enlightenment. But only experts can worship her. If you don't know how to worship her, lene ka dena padega. You become
Right.
poor and you become widow or widower.
Right.
And she can correct your planet Ketu. Now Ketu is the only name available in English because Ketu is the south node.
You're referring to Ketu, right? Rahu.
Ketu, Rahu ka bhai Ketu.
Right. We'd heard on another call somewhere the Rahu and Ketu would be the head and the body of the
Yes,
right?
yes, the head and the body of the
Dragon.
demon, dragon, whatever you want
Right.
to say.
Okay.
But if you see, in terms of mother, one of her child gave away her body, his body, that is Kartike. He is the head. So he is considered as Rahu or even Mangal because he is Kumar. And Ganpati's head was chopped off. And he is known as Dhumra Ketu. So he is also known as Ketu. So Rahu and Ketu can be demons, they can be dragons, they can be, as per Shiv Puran, Ketu is the demon and Rahu is the Gana of Shiva. But for me, everything is Ma. So they are kids of Ma, Rahu and Ketu. So when
Right.
you look at it like that, then they stop worrying you, that
Ah,
bhai Hindi chini, bhai. So Rahu Ketu will say, okay, this is also my brother. This is also the child of mother. Why will we harass him?
right.
This is Ma Dhumavati, who is down, not up. She is carrying Kali with her on her head.
I
Kali
was
is anger.
wondering. Okay.
Kali is anger. So Dhuma is the widow. She's carrying her.
Wow.
She's carrying anger in her head.
Wow. And now when I go back to listening to what you've said with the picturization, with the visualization rather, it just falls into place like this. This is amazing.
And she has that supri,
Right.
जिससे हम वो चावल साफ करते हैं ना वो, and
Right.
and she has a crow, and she comes and she brings fear, poverty, everything is ma, even poverty is ma, and every woman is ma, even widow is ma, every woman is goddess, even a widow.
Correct.
we go to Ma Baglamukhi, the eighth wisdom goddess. She is the yellow goddess Pitambari that we spoke about in the beginning.
Right. Right.
And she is very powerful to remove black magic, problems arising from enemies, victory in court cases, politics, to get fame, to get protection, to remove black magic, and evil's eye also, Nazar also. She is there to attract masses. If politicians get a worship, they can attract masses towards themselves. And she can give you a government contract, a government job, and she can give influence government employees and ministers and diplomats for you. And she is the goddess. ये कोई भी प्रकार का ब्लैक मैजिक काट देगी. कोई ऐसा ब्लैक मैजिक नहीं है जो मां बगलामुखी नहीं काट सकती है. शी कंट्रोल्स प्लैनेट्स सन, जुपिटर एंड मार्स. Mars more, but Sun and Jupiter also.
There she is.
This is Ma Baglamukhi. She doesn't go to the enemy. She pulls the enemy towards herself, and then she attacks. And she has four hands. एक में गदा है. You know, mace. Mace you call gada.
Yes.
Mace is there. In the second hand is the golden sword. In the third hand is the gold scissors. And in the fourth hand, which is the most dangerous weapon, that is an empty hand, by which she pulls the tongue of the enemy and twists it. So your enemy cannot speak in front of you. When you get her puja done, or when you worship her, and if you are standing in some front of someone and you chant the mantra in the mind and show the Stambhan Mudra, the person starts stammering. I have experienced it. Whether that person can be a judge or lawyer of the opposite party or whosoever that person may be, that person starts stammering.
Amazing. And obviously all of this, it's not just something that you do. There is an education to this. There's a way to do all of this, and definitely not to be just done randomly, right?
Yeah, it cannot be done randomly.
Right.
Now we go to Ma Matangi. Her puja is done to conceive a child, for removing black magic, to remove evil's eye, to remove anger, to remove anxiety, too much of lust, too much of desire, too much of fear, phobia, for getting knowledge, education, to conceive a child. And it also gives you Vaka Siddhi, power of speech. Like Baglamukhi cuts the speech of your enemy, they start stammering in front of you. People say, Guruji, you are a very good speaker. You have a lot of knowledge. That knowledge, that power of speech, that comes from Matangi. And she is Kula Devi of many people, because she is as also Turja Bhavani. In Gujarat, she is worshipped as Mudeshwari Mata. So many Kul Devis, they refer to Ma Matangi. She is also the Uchish Chandali, झूठा खाने वाली. जो हमारा झूठा भोजन होता है वो खाती है, तो उसको झूठा भोजन खिलाओ तो she also gives you hypnotic powers.
Wow. This is just, I'm just every step, I have only one word coming out right now. Wow, at every step of the way.
So we will look at Ma Matangi's picture. And yeah, she can correct sun, like I told you. She is a goddess who shines like the sun. So she can correct sun. She is also for art, creativity, and media and marriage. And now we will look at her picture. This is Matangi. You know, she has the Veena, so she controls her blood pressure. She is actually the form of Saraswati more. Huh? And she has Vedas and the mala in her hand. If you look at the hand, which
Yes.
is lowest on her right side.
Yes.
So,
Right.
and there is also a parrot.
Correct.
So she can either make you इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन और अ पैरट. तुमने शास्त्र से पढ़ लिया और तुम तोते की तरह रट रहे हो. एंड इफ यू लुक एट द लोटस, The lotus is on her crown and under her feet.
Right.
So the lotus says that her intellect is the most developed chakra, the Sahasrar, the Agya, the Guru Chakra. Hmm? Now we go to the ninth wisdom, the 10th wisdom goddess, which is Ma Kamla. Eighth is Baglamukhi, ninth is Ma Matangi, 10th is Ma Kamla. Ma Kamla is
Guruji,
spiral.
Guruji, so sorry. Question with this is come and may I just ask you very quickly?
Yeah, please.
What does the parrot signify?
I just said that the parrot signifies that
Yeah.
either you digest the knowledge. See, there are two types of devotees of Ma. One are chamchas. We have a spoon over here. Spoon. In India, spoons are known as chamchas. You
Right.
know spoon? Spoon, okay. And other types of are bees, honey bees. So the honey bee can get you honey of Ma. Ma is the immortal nectar, ambrosia. So the honey bee can get you this ambrosia called Ma, but it is also tasting it.
Right.
And the chamcha can also get you, the spoon can also get you the ambrosia from Ma, but the spoon cannot taste it.
Nice.
Right? So a parrot can bring you the knowledge of Ma, but he cannot digest that knowledge. He does not understand what am I saying, but he can read out the whole Veda. Like Mandal Mishra, he had four parrots who could recite the whole Veda. Each parrot one Veda they could recite. So he had four parrots. They could recite the whole Veda, but without knowing the meaning of it.
Right.
Huh? So
Right.
when I do the puja, there are some people who sit with me like honeybees. They can see Ma, they can see her grace, they can receive it. And there are some people who do many mantras, but they are like parrots. They can't digest the knowledge themselves, but they can speak it out. So Ma will give you knowledge either from the cup. You see the cup on the left hand?
Yes.
That is that either this cup can bring it to you, one who has understood Ma can bring Ma to you, and if no, if you are deserving, some idiot who does not understand Ma also will come and give it to you,
Right.
or you can read it in the books also and you will understand Ma. So the parrot signifies that somehow Ma will reach you. If you have a wanting in your heart, somehow Ma will reach you.
Correct. There is one or two questions more, but I am just going to. I think we'll just wait,
No problem, you can ask this
complete
question.
this. It's a little separate, so it's we can bring it up after this. We're on the 10th as it is right now. So
uh, So 10th is Ma Kamla. She gives you immense wealth and freedom from debts. Debts is karja. She helps you in travel, success, promotion in job, business, money, all money. She is Ma Lakshmi. When you look at a picture, you will know. Business, luxuries, pleasures, and she corrects Moon and Venus as planets. So we'll look at a picture. There she is,
there is
sitting inside the water.
something very moon-like serene about her.
Yeah. And like Baglamukhi removes all the cuff, she gives you all the cuff. You become lazy, but still you get a lot of money. When you are worshipping her, you don't need to come to the tele summit to be a listener or a speaker. You तुम घर पे सो जाओ, आके तुमको पैसा घर पे देके जाएंगे.
Going to tell us right now how that is also possible.
हाँ, ये कुछ भी करो तुम्हारे पास पैसा आएगा ही आएगा. She is Lakshmi. She is the form of Lakshmi. She is the form of lotus, Kamla. कि तुम कितने भी गरीबी में हो तुम खुद वेल्थ हो, तुम कितने भी कीचड़ में हो तुम कमल हो.
So, translated, it means that no matter how poor you think you are already wealth, and no matter how much dirt you think you're in, you are already wealth. Have I
The
translated,
lotus,
Guruji?
the lotus, you're already
The
the
lotus.
lotus
You're
which is
already the
above the
lotus.
dirt.
Right.
Untouched by the dirt.
Untouched by the dirt, correct.
Hmm.
And here we are with all the pictures and Sangeeta J. Shetty. Many thanks to you. Thank you, Guruji, for this. Sangeeta, I wonder if you're on the call. We will check in a quick bit. We'd, I think, love to see you and thank you in person as well. And if you happen to be listening to this replay, well, you know, you know where this is coming from. All of us, everybody on the group is just, they've loved this. And Guruji, thank you for this.
Thank you.
This is just,
If we can take in Purvi for a while. Purvi
yes,
is there on the
yes.
call?
In fact, I was just going to look for her, and before I went there to look for Purvi, I was actually going to ask you, Guruji, right now when you were talking about Ma Kamla, and you said if you worship her, nothing, you don't have to do anything. You sit at home and sleep. She will only come. So I know you're going to be telling us how that is also possible.
That is possible by booking a puja with Mystic Lotus.
So that's what we'll come to, and I'm looking for Purvi. And
There, Purvi, yes.
yeah, there I can see her waving. I've asked to unmute you, Purvi.
Yeah.
Hello, Joy Gurudev, Joy Ma.
Joy
I am here with the blessings of my Guruji, Dr. Hitesh Guruji, and I am feeling so grateful for him, and with his blessing only I could do whatever I have achieved in my life, and he knows better than me myself, and he is always bless us with his immense greatness and immense power, and he knows each and every one of us from core to the core of our heart, and he's so grateful, and we are so grateful to him, and he's so great in his own this path. He has holding our hand, and he's taking us to the another level, and because of his blessings, we all are in shadow of his own roof, and he has taken me as his disciple, and he has given me diksha before 2 years, and within 2 years I could tasted amruta of this path. Amruta, I can say I am blissful all the time, I am joyful all the time, yet I have not blessed with enlightenment, yet I am not doing much sadhanas, but still I could feel his amrutas and all his blessings. I could feel each and every moment of my life. If I'm thinking about something and he appears, if I'm thinking about him, if I'm thinking about Ma, if I'm confused somewhere, he just appear in front of me, Ma appear in front of me, and with his blessing only I could do this, and I could feel this way. And I am really thankful to Dr. Hitesh Guruji on this platform that he has given me this opportunity, and I am really feeling so I can say, I cannot have any word to describe his blessings, So I am really thankful to you guys also. Please forgive me if I have, said something which, I should not. But yeah, I am very much grateful to him, and I am blissful all the time with his, his whole handing me. And I am really grateful. This is only you see what you see me is Dr. Hitesh Guruji. That is only I can say.
Thank you so much, Purvi, for sharing that. And we wish you all the very best. People, Purvi is a Hindi serial and movie actor, and she is famous on the Gujarati stage scene and Gujarati serials. And based on exactly what you've just shared right now, I'm guessing that the last 2 years have probably been some of the best as a part of your career. Am I correct in?
So I understand why I have taken birth on this earth. The right word I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you for taking time on. Guruji, would you like to say something to Purvi?
Purvi, all the blessings to you and your family. And today she's wearing orange, the color of Ma. Even I'm wearing orange.
Thank you,
I'm also wearing orange, Guruji.
Wow, everyone is orange today. My and Neetuji's yellows.
Yellows.
She's always yellows.
Do you hear that, Guruji?
Yeah,
Can you hear that?
yeah. What is it?
What is that? Can everyone hear that?
धीरे बजा रहा है कोई?
It is bell, right? Kind of like a temple bell.
Everyone is muted. What is that?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out very soon. There is, if it's the sound of a temple bell, it has to be something good. And we're just going to get to know right now. What is that? What is that? It's a surprise flash sale. Oh my
Wow.
Guruji, like I said, temple bell has to be something good. You were talking about people have to book a puja with us in order to be able to pray to Ma Kamla. So the thing that you were talking about earlier with the Havan Tarpan Marjan Bhojan, what is small Anushthan, Guruji?
Small Anushthan is that we chant the mantra for you. Anushthan means jitne alphabets mantra mein hote hai, you multiply that with 1000. Like Gayatri mantra has 24 alphabets.
All right.
If you have to chant Gayatri mantra, you have to chant it for 24,000 times. 10% Havan, 10% Tarpan, 10% Marjan, 10% Bhojan. So all the goddesses that we have spoken about, that and something beyond that also if you want. So uska puja, Anushthan, we will do for you and we will chant the mantra for 10,000 times. 10% of that will be done as Havan, 10% of that will be done as Tarpan, 10% of that will be done as Marjan, 10% of that will be given as Bhojan. And that all, how much is Mystic Lotus is offering us for?
And there is a bonus as well before we head on. It's not just the Havan Tarpan Marjan Bhojan of Guruji. Is it 10,000 chants or is it 1,000 chants?
Oh, sorry, 1,000 chants. Because
1,000.
mostly we chant the Bij mantras.
Right.
Bij mantra is one alphabet, so we chant it for 1,000 times. And plus you get Sankalp of Sankalp Puja, Ganpati Puja, Navgraha Puja on Dashera worth rupees 9595.
And all of this, yes, it's a part. This is a dish. It's a bonus if you happen to take this on. Normally, this would cost you how much, Guruji? How much would it cost somebody to take a small Anushthan with you?
Small Anushthan with me, it will cost you something, say 12,222 rupees. But
Right.
we are offering it for 4,000.
Guruji, the flash sale, we are at 2,222. Can we have that flashing here right now for all of you?
Wow.
Is only an offer that is existing right now on this call only. Please mark my words. I'm going to repeat that. The offer, this is small Anushthan, which normally costs 12,221, is going to cost you only 2,222 rupees or USD 35 only till the end of this call. The moment this call disconnects, this offer goes, that link goes, it'll be over. So you have time, take action. You know what money loves as an energy? Loves action. So you got to take it. 81% savings. Hello. What more do you want? What more could you ask for? This is absolutely fantastic. And as I said, always means something good.
This is only and only possible with Mystic Lotus. Huh?
Yes, I'm going to
Only possible with
you on that one.
Nowhere else is this possible. It is only possible with Mystic Lotus.
You're not going to get this amount of 2,222 directly with Guruji or even after this call. Whoever is here right now listening in, you've just been through this amazing, basic, simple understanding of the 10 forms of goddess wisdom. And that is the puja that's going to happen. And there it is. The contact link, the payment links have already been shared on the group. Please, please, please use it. And we'll just go off this now.
And I was thinking The offer is there, right?
Yes.
12,222 ka 21 ka puja we are offering for 4,444 rupees, but right now it is for 2,222.
Correct.
10,000 mantras, the price which is generally very expensive, 30 big Anushan, 33,000 333 rupees wala. It is offered for 12,200. I think so. It is offered for 11,111 rupees right now. Not right now. Even after
Yeah, we'll just come back to that
we
in
will
a
come back to that.
quick bit.
But I was wondering what are the questions that we were looking at.
Yes. So just a quick reminder, everybody, flash sale. All right. And any of you comic book superhero fans, movie fans, little bit like me, you know what you're going to do? Speed is the name of the game. Take that offer up because it's not going to be existing even on the call replay. All right. It's just for on the call. So Guruji, there was a question that had come in a little earlier.
Yeah.
Going to ask you that very quickly. Piles asked, Guruji, I wear black clothes like always. Is it okay to do prayer daily? I don't chant mantra, only bow to her daily. Is that okay? Well, this is she's given this in context to Ma Baglamukhi's little write-up that we had posted in the group as well.
See, different rules are there for different forms of mother. If you are doing Ma Kali Puja, then black clothes are very good. But if you are doing Ma Baglamukhi Puja, then black clothes are not very good. So you must avoid them. So while performing Puja Ityadi, it's not necessary that you must not wear black clothes, but only and only if you are doing Puja of Ma Baglamukhi, Dhanada Yakshini, then you must avoid wearing black clothes. That is it.
And Hansa has asked, Guruji, what is small Anushtan for?
Small Anushtan, big Anushtan, Siddhi, and there is one more thing which is known as Mahasiddhi. They have their own benefits. Say, if you need a admission for your son in a college, and if he's good with education, and you just want to make sure that mother's blessings are there, then you must get a small Anushtan then, which has we will be chanting 1,000 mantras or number of alphabets into 1,000 for you for the mantra. But if you think that the college is too good, and there is a lot of competition, then you can get a big Anushtan then. If you want to get something which is a little more difficult, then you must get a big Anushtan then. And if you think that your child is not doing good in studies, which is all right, but still you want a very good college for him, and it looks like an impossible task, very, very difficult task, then you get the Purush Charan, the Siddhi done. And if you think that it is even more difficult than that and you really want it, then you get a Mahasiddhi done. Like if you want to get Ma Tara's Puja done for your husband to stop drinking, then you get us, but he drinks once in a while, once in 6 months, but still that you don't like, you want him to stop, then you get a small Anushtan then. But if whenever he drinks, he loses the dhakkan, the cork, then you get a big Anushtan done. And if he daily loses the dhakkan, then you get the Siddhi done. And if you think that iska chhutne hi nahi wala hai, he's drinking from ages, then you contact us, we will tell you about the Mahasiddhi. That means you book 6 Siddhis of Ma Tara for him. That is how you decide what you want to get done.
Right. And Guruji, people are already signing up. Just remember, people, the flash sale amount of 2,222 is available only for the duration of this call, and we are slowly inching towards the end of that as well. So do not miss out on your time. Guruji, I have a quick question here.
Yes.
Not yet come up, but I'm asking anyway. If somebody has taken the small Anushthan offer right now or even later, and then in conversation with you, they realize or you realize and see that no, I think the other one would be better for you, because we know that you do advise people as required.
Hmm.
They have the option to upgrade. We know we want to say yes. We need to get a yes from you.
If you want to say yes, I'm also saying yes.
Fantastic.
And
So
if they
people,
want to pay the difference money, they can pay. Like for
yes,
whatever is the difference, whatever
yes,
Mystic Lotus says, they can.
correct.
Whatever is yes from Mystic Lotus cannot be no from me.
Thank you. And you always say that, and we greatly appreciate it. So people, everyone, just want to tell you, this one's a no-brainer. All right. I was all I okay. I had actually already done it. But if something else comes up for you in conversation with Guruji and you need to upgrade, you will be helped in that matter and the amount will be adjusted. Keep that in mind. And Pooja has asked, Guruji, is this for the whole family?
Depends if you have if you have to make a kheer. You know what is a kheer? It is a sweet dish.
Right.
And you are making it just for yourself. Then 2 spoons of sugar will be okay for it. But if you are making it for the whole family, will 2 spoons of sugar be okay for it?
Not
You decide. If you want to do it for the whole family, you are just doing it for getting the blessings of Ma, for getting the grace of Ma, and you put 2 spoons of sugar, it is all right. That I'm only making this much kheer, everyone just wants to have one spoon. So it's all right. But if you want it for various purpose, for various people, different purpose for different family members, then it is better to go for different things. The choice is yours. Blessings are of Ma.
right. So basically, if I understand that correctly, Guruji, if suppose somebody's taken on the small Anushthan right now or even later, it's primarily for you. You can take them up multiple times, right? For each additional.
Yeah, you can take, say, if you are 5 family members, you can take 5 small Anushthan, one for your husband, one for your daughter, one for son, one for mother-in-law. Generally, women don't do that for mother-in-law, but still for mother-in-law, and one for your brother. So you can do that.
In fact, I'm so glad that question came up. Who was it that asked, Pooja? Thank you for asking, because you know what? At 2,222 rupees, go pick five, six small Anushtans up, cover your full family. Just go for it. Don't even think twice. And
Small someone has asked, that is the small puja for all types of goddesses. If you want benefits of all types of each goddess, then you can take the puja of Ma Sorsi. But better is that take which is more necessary for you. If you want, I will request Mystic Lotus to put the pictures that which mother will be worshipped for what benefit, or we can put that slideshow PDF.
yes, it's already on the group, and the PDF will be going in the call replay as well. And the pictures are already up in the group.
Yeah.
So
So
there's a
better
reference
is that
point.
if you require Bhubaneswari, you go to Bhubaneswari. If you require everything, then either Ma Kali or Ma Sorsi.
Right. And in fact, Guruji, post the call. You're here in interaction with everybody. If they do have a query, you're here to guide them, that you can do either Ma Taras or Ma Kamlas or Ma Baglamukis. You'll be,
Baglamukhi.
sorry, Baglamukhi. My apologies. My deepest apologies. You'll be there to guide them should they have queries, right? Post
Yes,
the call.
yes,
Fantastic. So, Vani,
Someone wants to know, I have Aarti with me. Here she is. Say hi, Aarti.
hi, Aarti.
So she is there on Telegram group, and she says that someone wants to know that what is the different energy exchange for different pujas. It is already mentioned on the group.
Yeah, we'll just coming to that. Guruji, there are 2-3 questions we want to take care of before giving everybody the rest of the information as well. Mani's asked, Guruji, how will we be involved in the Anushthan?
You will be involved by giving sankalp to us. Once you give the sankalp, your problem is our problem. We will do the chanting for you.
And because the bonus is there is the Sankalp and the pujas, you'll be streaming this live, Guruji?
Yeah. Like if you are taking the Siddhi, the Purusharan, then we will be giving you a free course and we will be giving you 2 online pujas free. If you are doing the big Anushthan, the Maha Anushthan, then we will be giving you 2 pujas free, one on Dashera, one on during the Diwali period, and we will also be giving you uh, one free course at a very low cost, and much more things that will be given to you. There you will be involved. And Sankalp, we will be taking Sankalp of each and every one. And while taking the Sankalp also, you will be involved. And rest, and we will take care.
Fabulous. So, I'm just looking in, Guruji. I think I saw 1 or 2 questions and I'm hoping I haven't. Oh, right. Which is the date of the Anushthan?
Date of the Anushthan is when you give Sankalp, it will start.
Oh, fabulous. So it's not like it's a preset date. Suppose somebody's...
If you want to come in for a group Sankalp, you can
Right.
come in on Dashera when we are taking the Sankalp. But if you want to start it faster, you give the Sankalp now and we will take the Sankalp and we will start. I, Aarti or Sandeep, one of us will take the Sankalp from you and we will
Right.
start.
Fabulous. I hope that's answered all the questions.
Hansa
1 second.
ji has said,
Yes.
Guruji,
But-
where is the Mandir of Chinnamastika Ma, as she is a
Correct.
Buddha Devi,
Right.
and have never visited a temple. There is a very beautiful temple in Madhya Pradesh, and it is one of the main temples of Chinnamastika Ma. And she is also known as Vajra Vairochinye. So when you type Vajra Vairochinye, you will know about her details. There is a beautiful temple of Ma Chinnamastika in Kamakhya. It is inside a cave going very deep inside. And there is also a very beautiful, very many places. I mean, Ma Chinnamastika temple is there at many places. If you live in Mumbai, somewhere near Virar or Mira Road, there is one temple of Ma Chinnamastika. In Varanasi, there is a very beautiful temple of Ma Chinnamastika. She is known as Mundi Kati Mai, a goddess whose head is cut. Mundi Kati Hui Mai.
Okay. And Meenal said that she would like to contact you, Guruji, as she's facing a lot of financial issues. We'll figure this out. Don't worry about that. And in fact, if Guruji, if you would suggest any puja for her, this would actually
Kamla.
take place. Sorry?
Kamla.
So, Meenal, I hope you heard that. Ma Kamla's puja would actually be amazing for you. And you know what? Small Anushthan offer, go ahead, grab it. Okay. And where in Pune? Where in Pune? Oh, that's Hansa asking about the temple. Where in Pune?
In your heart, in your house. You know, Pune people are very beautiful people. If you tell them the temple is over there, they will say, where in Pune? If you tell them where in Pune, they will say, no, it's not near to my house. Where near to my house? So you don't need to go anywhere. You look at the picture which has been painted by Sangeeta J. Shetty, and you let Ma reside in your heart. Your temple is your heart. Ma is there inside. Cut off your own head, your own ego. Head represents ego. Cut off your own head, cut off your ego, and you are Ma.
Right. Okay. And Guruji, I actually thought we'd have some more questions, but you know what? Everybody just wants to know about the other Anushtans as well. So I'm thinking this is probably a good time to bring that in, and I'm going to request the team to please help us with that. While that's coming up, Vandana, the energy exchange for Ma Kamla Puja is exactly the flash offer, the small Anushthan 2222. That is what the flash offer is. Only for the call. Moment call gets over, there is an offer for you, and we're just going to tell you about that right now. Maybe, yes. Thank you.
Oh my God. We have it written right over here. English
Yes.
mein kya, Mystic Lotus.
And we have
Mystic Lotus has become very advanced.
there is a fabulous team that is constantly working on this. There's Amrish, there's Ruchira, Shilpa, Misbah, everything that all of you see anywhere on these screens here. Otherwise, it all comes with a lot of hard work done exclusively by these beautiful people. So a huge shout out and thank you to you. And moving on. So this is what we just spoke about, Guruji, the first package, which is the small Anushan. And this normally costs 12,221 and is on offer at 4,444 after the call. Right now, it's still available at 2,222 or US 35. Okay, keep that in mind. It'll become 4,444 after the call. 2,222 ongoing right now.
For any goddess.
Any goddess.
Don't think कि माँ कमला का ज्यादा होगा, माँ बगलामुखी का ज्यादा होगा. For any goddess.
Right. And okay, we have people are paying and already asking, when are we getting the confirmation? People, thank you so much. Love the excitement. The moment the call is over, everything's collated, all your information will reach Guruji and his team will get in touch with you. Please bear with us till for the end of the call, and maybe a few hours into it. It'll take us a little time to put everything together. But we have a speedster team at hand, and that'll work super fast. So don't worry about it. Package A, we've already spoken about just a few minutes ago. Remember, flash sale, 2222. After the call is over, 4444 or US $70. Moving on. Which is the big Anushthan. Guruji, please tell us.
If your husband loses that cock.
I have to tell everybody this happens every call, because this is exactly how Dr. Hiteshji Guruji is. He will speak like this only. He will make you laugh about the most serious things in life, and then I hope I don't end up looking like one fool, because I'm like, I just have to control myself so many times when I'm on call with you. So please.
So when the problem is little bigger, then you go for a big Anushthan rather than going for a small Anushthan. Even if you have paid for the small Anushthan right now, we can upgrade it. Mystic Lotus is very compassionate. Nidhuji is as compassionate as Ma is.
So the big Anushthan is 10,000 japs, Guruji?
Yeah, 10,000 japs, 1,000 havan, 100 tarpan, 10 marjan, and 1 bhojan.
Right. And there is a bonus here also. There are 2 bonuses here.
Oh God. The bonus is that online Sankalp Ganpati Puja, Navgraha Puja on Dashera. And that is worth 9595, absolutely free for everyone who is booking this puja. Then that second bonus is live Diwali Puja on Dhanteras night. There we will make you do Lakshmi Puja, Chopra Puja. If you guys want, Chopra Puja is done on Diwali. We are going to make diaries for everyone. But this puja will be a fabulous puja for inviting wealth, prosperity, abundance in your life, which will be done on Dhanteras night, live on Zoom. So everyone be there for it. This is only and only for people who are taking the big Anushthan, the Maha Anushthan. And this 2 pujas worth 9595, 9595, and both the pujas will be free. On that, if you want to join a course with us to learn about Ma, that course will be given at a very low price.
Right. And that course will anyway start after the pujas, right? So
yeah, after the puja.
That level of information flow will happen at that time. So a big Anushthan of 10,000, big Anushthan puja, of 10,000 jap is normally normally costs how much, Guruji? You had mentioned it earlier also. 33,333.
Yes, yes, yes. And that we are only giving
$123.
for 11,111 rupees. And that is $175.
And not to forget the bonuses, which are worth 9,595 each. Mental calculation, not very good at. That's pretty much almost what, 19,000? A bonus of almost 19,000?
Yeah, you're asking the wrong person.
No,
Yes, correct. 19,000. जब भी अपने को नहीं आता है तो correct.
correct. So big Anushthan people of 10,000 job worth 33,333 is yours for only 11,111 rupees, and this is notwithstanding the bonuses worth almost 19,000 that you're getting. All right, that's a 66% saving for you on the Mystic Lotus. Say it with me. Awesome.
Money Tally Summit.
And there's one more, because that's what Guruji does. He will not leave you at just a little bit. He wants to give you everything. So what do we have next?
That is Maha Anushthan, 1,25,000 mantras. The general price for this is 1,25,000 rupees.
But before that-
1,25,000 jap, 12,500 havan, 1,250
Right.
tarpan, 125 marjan, 13 bhojan.
Right.
This is given by Mystic Lotus. You will get course worth 21,212 rupees free, absolutely free.
Right.
You will get a puja 9,595 rupees worth, absolutely free. And you will get one more puja on Dhanteras night, Diwali puja, 9,595 rupees, absolutely free. Dhanteras, sochta kya hai? Kar le book.
Absolutely. Just the mantra Purushar and Maha Puja of 1,25,000 jap, as Guruji just said, would cost you 1,25,000 rupees. Just that much. Forget the bonuses. All right. It would cost you 1,25,000 rupees, and it is yours for the taking, only for, wait for it, 33,333 rupees or $523. And do not forget that your bonuses are now, if it was 19,000, now there's 21,212 more, almost 40,000. Yes, 40,000 bonus.
Plus these three things.
Right. That's what I was saying, Guruji, that the Mantra Purushar and Mahapuja would normally cost you 1,25,001 rupee. It's yours for just 33,333. Not to forget the three bonuses, which by itself are worth 40,000.
No, I just repeated because some people like me may not register na very fast. Little slow.
Did I say it too fast?
No. But still, I don't register very fast.
Well, I'm glad then that you repeated it. This is absolutely fantastic, Guruji. As always, okay, there is a question here. Anuja's asked again, this is for the full family. Okay, what about these, Guruji? Now that there is the big Anushthan and the Mahapuja, is this also only for one person, or does this cover the full family?
See, nothing is only for one person. It is for everyone. But it depends on you how intense is your problem. If you just want the blessing of Ma, you can also do the small Anushthan, the Anushthan of 1,000 mantras for the whole family. But my suggestion is, when the problem is intense, you put more energy into it. You take, say, a Maha Anushthan, or you take a Siddhi. Of course, if you have already booked the small Anushthan, the different price between the small Anushthan and the Mahasiddhi, or the difference between the small Anushthan and Siddhi, the difference between small Anushthan and big Anushthan, only that you will be paying, of course, for sure. But when you are going for the whole family, I will suggest you please go with the Siddhi. You can also book the small Anushthan. There is no restrictions from our side or Mystic Lotus side. But suggestion is that you go for the Siddhi.
The Siddhi being this one, the Mahapuja?
Yes, the Mahapuja,
Right.
1,25,000, the
Right.
Purush Charan.
Right. Which is worth just only 33,333. My God, somebody is going to be, Guruji is going to be sitting and chanting doing this 1,25,000 times.
Plus Havan, plus Tarpan, plus Marjan,
Yes.
plus Bhojan.
Yeah. And be it 1,000, be it 10,000, be it 1,25,000, there somebody is sitting there. The amount, the kind of time that goes into that, the energy that is taken to do that, the focus with which the work for you is done, it's all being done by Guruji and his team. And this kind of pricing really is unbelievable. It's absolutely unbelievable. I'm checking in if there are any more questions. No, there aren't, because that's how amazing your call has been, Guruji. You've explained everything so well. And I think we've covered everything pretty much. I want to give everyone a quick reminder. We are coming close to our call. Remember, the flash sale of the small Anushtan is still available. The moment we say goodbye and we say Jai Mata Di and the call is disconnected, that offer goes. Plus, you have these amazing, fabulous offers where you have the big Anushtan at an amazing offer price of just 11,111 rupees and the Mahapuja at just 33,333 rupees. Everything's on the group. Your payment links with the USD amounts and payment links. This will all be in your call replay. Not the flash sale though. That will not be there. All right, Guruji, we're almost close to time. I wanted to say a big thank you to you for this amazing. It was, a little glimpse to understand the 10 wisdom goddesses. I think I see them in very different light right now, and Sangeeta, I think, had a huge role to play in that. Those pictures just, Guruji, they just popped into, they just popped out. You could connect to them.
In the consciousness.
Yes.
From the screen into the consciousness.
Yes, absolutely. Before we say goodbye or anything else, Guruji, is there anything that you'd like to leave us with?
See, this universe has come from Ma. And divine does not have a gender. And if you want a gender for divine, it cannot be a masculine gender. It has to be a feminine gender, because males cannot create, they cannot give birth. If we are created by divine, divine has to be mother. And she's fabulous. Mystic Lotus is fabulous. She is fabulous. She is amazing. You see, everyone is equal. But still, some people are happy, some people are unhappy. Some people are rich, some people are poor. Some people are free of debts, some people are in debts. Some people are, nowhere. Some people are so high. There is a difference. The difference is in the word Ma and Ma. Ma is I, me, and Ma is mother. Me and Ma, they are very close to each other. Ma, a goat, does ma, I, me. And the goat keeps on repeating me. She is sacrificed. And a cow keeps on doing ma, ma. She's worshipped. The choice is yours. whether you want to remain unhappy and become happy, or you want to become happy, whether you want to do me, or whether you want to do ma. This Navratri, Diwali season, take a sankalp. From me, I want to reach Ma. From being a goat, I want to be a cow. I don't want to be sacrificed. I want to be worshipped. Everyone who respects, worships Hitesh Guruji is not because Hitesh Guruji is intelligent, powerful, whatever. That is because Hitesh Guruji is one with Ma. Hitesh Guruji only does ma. When you will start doing this, you will also be worshipped. You will also be happy. You will also be powerful, abundant, everything. All your requirements will be taken care of. I promise you that on behalf of my Ma.
Thank you, Guruji. There is there is nothing else that I could possibly say after that. So I'm just going to remind everybody that you're here to interact with them on the group on Telegram. After the call, please eat something. Please rehydrate. Please get fresh. And Guruji, thank you so much. Really, thank you so much for this call, and wishing everybody a great Sunday ahead. Enjoy your time with Guruji on the Telegram group, and we'll see you tomorrow at 11:33 a.m. Guruji, thank you so much.
Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om Tat Sat, and with everyone's permission, Jai Mata Di.
Yeah, Ma.